everything that I'm sharing with you all is through experience. I'll talk about my skincare journey once, but I have had the worst skin possible. It was extremely bad. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Swapnali and welcome back to Arali. So I have like some notes that I have made over here. As you can see, there are like a lot of notes that I've made. So in today's video, we are going to talk about summer skincare hacks I wish I knew before. Now, even though I tried to kind of fit these hacks in my everyday routine, I'm still learning to do that. I know these work because it's been like a very long journey for me with summer and skincare, because personally I have a lot of issues when it comes to heat and stuff like that. So even if I have to travel, if it's really hot and I'm traveling, like 2 days later I'm sick for a week, and currently actually I'm slightly unwell because I'm not feeling the best. But I knew this video had to go out now only because I know it's so hot. I think just incorporating this into your skincare routine, or not incorporating, but just like keeping these tips in mind and then doing everything that you do is going to make your skin so much better. So whatever your skin issues are, in summer they can get worse. You also have to understand there are some downsides and negative things that the sun does to our skin mainly. So here are some tips and hacks, or whatever you want to call them, and I really wish I knew these sooner. So I am going to share them with you all in hopes that they will actually help you guys out in your skincare journey. Now the first hack is basically adding a antioxidant in your skincare or along with your skincare. There's lots of free radical damage that happens to your skin. A sunscreen is going to protect your skin, and it is going to, up to a certain extent, help your skin shield or stay away from the harmful UV rays. But there is some damage that still does end up happening to your skin, which your body or your skin internally has to fight and fix. Okay, so just adding an antioxidant either to your sunscreen, or rather what you can do is apply your antioxidant and then layer it up with other products, and then sunscreen is going to work wonders, especially in summers. Okay, now when I say antioxidants, what do I mean? Now one is vitamin C. It's so common because it is so powerful. Vitamin C is one of the antioxidants. Then you have niacinamide. Yes, niacinamide also is an antioxidant. Then you also have vitamin E. Then you have resveratrol. Even that is an antioxidant. But although I would recommend that you don't directly start with that, we have things like vitamin C, niacinamide, vitamin E. All these are also, I'm looking down because my notes are down. So yeah, vitamin E, vitamin C, they are really easily available over the counter. So you can definitely try those out, and they work really well as well. Okay, so these adding an antioxidant along with your sunscreen to your sunscreen is slightly controversial, and I understand that. Now I do not have a lab to kind of test things and stuff, although there is this new UV camera, so you understand, like when you apply sunscreen, it shows on the camera how well you apply the sunscreen and how well protected your skin is against UV rays and stuff. So mixing things with sunscreen probably not the best idea. I don't mix. So any two ingredients in general, I try and not mix unless it's like just basic moisturizing things, or but with sunscreen you rather not mix. So don't mix. Okay. Now second one, the second one is using a tinted sunscreen. Now I do not always use a tinted sunscreen because really the sunscreen I am using, it's either sent to me by someone, so I'm just trying out that sunscreen, or it's stuff like that. But if it was up to me to buy a sunscreen, I would definitely opt for a tinted sunscreen, basically because tinted sunscreens have this one ingredient which is iron oxide. Okay. Now this iron oxide, it helps protecting your skin from the sun and the sun damage, environmental damage even. Also if you have like pigmentation problems, you have under eye, dark circle problems, iron oxide will really help out as well. And especially it works really well for people with like brown skin, Okay, so people who have slightly darker skin, it works really well on our skin. Tinted sunscreen is something you should definitely consider because it is a game changer. And guys, obviously all what I am talking, it's like from the studies and everything I read that's available online. So please feel free to go and do your own research on iron oxide, the experiments done with it, and all of that. It's all easily available on Google. Okay, my third hack would be to wear a cap. Okay, now either a cap or a scarf. Now see, when you apply sunscreen on your face, you can, on your neck, on your hands, legs, you can, although your hands and legs also, you can't like always keep reapplying sunscreen because that's like a lot of sunscreen that you'll end up using. But yeah, up to a certain extent you can still use sunscreen, but on your scalp. Okay, on your scalp you can't sorry, I have my laptop over here, so in case, on your scalp you cannot use sunscreen. Although you can use things like the sunscreen powders and stuff, but if you are someone like me who has straight hair, I struggle a lot with like having good hair days. Okay, no matter what it might seem like, I struggle a lot with my hair, and just like figuring out and managing my hair is like a big, like it's very difficult for me basically. See, the sunlight is gonna come on your head obviously, and see, tanning and all is one thing, but getting skin conditions, skin cancer, that is like what you really need to safeguard yourself from. So what I would recommend is, first of all, to try and don't go out in the sun as much as possible. Do not go out in the sun. But now let's say you have to go, you have no other option, you have work or whatever, and you have to go out in the sun. I highly recommend wear a cap, a hat, or a scarf, or you can wear a scarf and a hat, or a scarf and a cap, something to kind of cover your hair, like your head area. Because on your scalp you can't do much, like a lot of people like keep thinking, okay, my scalp is fairer than my face, so I'm all good. No, you're not. You need to apply wear a hat or a cap or a scarf or two of. My fourth hack is going to be about clothing. Now when it comes to clothing, guys, I know in summer you have like these hot shorts that you want to wear, and like short dresses and all of that you want to wear. I understand, I do too, but it is summertime when you should be avoiding all those things, honestly. Because how much ever sunscreen you apply, your skin ends up getting exposed, and like I told you, there's a lot of free radical damage that happens even after applying sunscreen. Okay, even if you apply sunscreen, it's still going to affect your skin. So you must be observing, even if you wear sunscreen, you end up getting thoda tanned in the summertime, right? And you can't do anything about that, sadly. So the best thing that you can do is wear like full sleeves wale clothes, which is why I'm wearing this today, just to like focus on my point, because I also have to go somewhere. I would not recommend wearing black, but I I'm wearing black for a reason. I wanted to film a few other videos and stuff, and I think I was just in a mood for black, which my mom would absolutely, like, not my mom only, everybody around me would absolutely hate, and I think they are gonna comment on this anyway. But I am going to be wearing black, but wear some like nice bright summer colors. You'll feel good. Even if you don't want to wear like a full thing, just have like a loose jacket or like a loose shirt, boyfriend shirt or whatever that you can just pull on your skin, so your skin is not directly exposed to sunlight. Okay, it will really help you out. Now the next hack is a couple of ingredients that you might want to check when you are choosing a sunscreen or any other cream. These products in general help you protect yourself from the sun. So I have listed them down. I try to look for these in sunscreens, and if I have all these products in a sunscreen, that sunscreen is my go-to choice. Okay, so I'm gonna share a couple of them, not couple, like I think these are all the ones I look for. And like I have said, mineral sunscreens are for me superior than chemical ones. So I like to look for silica, mica, iron oxide, zinc oxide, and titanium dioxide. If my sunscreen has these, I just feel so much more safer and more confident using. So yeah, we have a couple of more hacks which I will be uploading in part 2. So wait for that. I will be uploading that very soon. Like after this video goes out, maybe like a day or so after that, I will be uploading the remaining hacks. And guys, Trust me, everything that I'm sharing with you all is through experience. I'll talk about my skincare journey once, but I have had the worst skin possible. It was extremely bad. From my 10th standard, it just went bad, and I had like a lot of causes. Okay, it was stress and this and that. Like I had a lot of causes, which I'll talk about in a different video, like I said. So I have gone through a lot of products. Like I've used a lot of products, creams, serums, everything, and now whatever I'm sharing with you all is like from my own experience. Really hope you guys enjoy this video and you like these tips and you actually end up using them. If you have liked this video, please give this video a thumbs up. It would mean a lot to me. And also subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and hit the notification bell as well, so you will know when I upload a new video, which is a lot. If you have seen the consistency, I think it's not bad. I will be uploading a part 2 of this video very soon, so stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.